Latest research and development. 1. What happens when light smashes into itself? Scientists just found out. Physicists have found that light can interact with itself by creating virtual particles, possibly revealing hidden cracks in the Standard Model. 2. Scientists just solved the 9 million year mystery of where potatoes came from. Potatoes owe their existence to a surprising ancient hybrid between tomato and potato-like plants. 3. Scientists finally solved the mystery of what triggers lightning. In this artist's impression, a high-altitude NASA spy plane carries instrumentation to record purple-colored terrestrial gamma-ray flashes in thunderclouds. Credit: NASA, Aloft Team. 4. A record-breaking lightning bolt stretched over 500 miles, made visible thanks to space-based lightning mappers. These rare megaflashes are enormous, powerful, and still not fully understood. 5. A new method exposes the hidden spirals in black hole vibrations, reshaping how we hear and understand their cosmic signals. 6. The fossil that fooled Harvard. Scientists solve 160-year evolutionary mystery. A century-old fossil once thought to be a worm is now rewriting the story of arthropod evolution as the first known non-marine lobopodian. 7. Living fossil, just shattered 70 years of evolutionary assumptions. Researchers have re-examined the skull musculature of coelacanths, a lineage of fish dating back 400 million years, and discovered that many anatomical structures had been previously misidentified. 8. Astronomers discover seeds of life in young stars' planet-forming disk. Astronomers have discovered signs of complex organic molecules, considered precursors to sugars and amino acids, within a planet-forming disk. 9. It shouldn't exist. Astronomers discover a planet orbiting the wrong way. Astronomers have confirmed the existence of a rare, retrograde orbiting planet in a tight binary star system. 10. First ever imagers capture atoms, wiggling, in quantum materials. Scientists have imaged atomic thermal vibrations for the first time, revealing hidden patterns that could redefine quantum and nano-electronic device design. 11. Earth's gravity might be warping quantum mechanics, say physicists. Scientists propose a groundbreaking experiment using quantum computers and atomic clocks to test whether gravity alters the fundamental rules of quantum theory. 12. 6 R&D advances this week, a quantum computer in space and a record-breaking lightning bolt. 13. Deep Cogito V2, open source AI that hones its reasoning skills. Deep Cogito has released Cogito V2, a new family of open source AI models that sharpen their own reasoning skills. 14. Leak suggests OpenAI's open source AI model release is imminent. A leak suggests that OpenAI is about to launch a powerful new open source AI model, potentially within hours. 15. Zuckerberg outlines Meta's AI vision for personal superintelligence. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg has laid out his blueprint for the future of AI, and it's about giving you personal superintelligence. Thanks for watching this video.